So now we move on to making the center. So first we had made the ovaries and allowed them to dry, and we are going to put all the 3 of these ovaries together, and around that we are going to have the stamens come. And these are the inedible stamens available for flower making, and we will be using that because it could be quite tedious to get all of these handmade, and they also have a pretty natural look. So we need 3 such bunches. Now I'm just going to show how these stamens could be attached to the wire, because everything is wired here, and so stamens also have to get connected to the wires, and so we will be able to tape them all together. So now I have a 26G wire, okay, and I'm just going to fold it by half, okay, and then I'm just going to get this stamen, put it under the wire here at the loop, and then hold this pretty much tight and make sure, so there will be like a paper that's holding midway of the stamen. Just hold it pretty much tight here, and I'm going to fold this properly. Like there is that paper here, right? It just needs to kind of nicely get folded exactly half, and also looking at the bottom where you're folding, the most important thing for you to look for is on the top, that this side, this end and that end should meet, and they all should be at the same height. In case you just folded it in such a way that this kind of became like a height of any lesser than the other side, you just need to adjust and get both the sides of the stamens come together in a same height. And this stage is one important step. Then the next one is to have a floral tape. Okay, and I'm just going to stretch it, that's when the glue will start coming out. And where I need to start taping is very important. I just need to hold the base of the stamen itself, okay. I just need to let the tape go around, holding some part of the base of the stamen, and that's when the top is going to stick together. Just going to hold it tight and just twist and tape it all around. Come a little way through this wire as well, and you don't have to have it this long. So this will be one. I'm just going to make 2 more of this, and then we could tape it along with the ovaries.